Hi everybody, welcome back to Glitterati Glamour. If you don't know me, my name is Kaylin. Hi, how are you? I miss you. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because that's where to keep up to date with me on all the new and exciting fun things going on in my life. That is at Glitterati_glamour. And if you want to follow me on Twitter for not much content, but you can, at GlitteratiGlamR. So today we are doing this festive eye look. It's a little bit more colors out there, pizzazz, but I thought I don't want to do like just a normal like brown smoky eye with a wing liner and lashes, you know? I want to kill it this holiday season. Not that we're going out anywhere, but I thought, why not? Let's try. So the first thing you want to do is grab a piece of tape to stick to your eye. Now that that's stuck, I'm taking a few different palettes. I'm grabbing the James Charles palette first, and I'm grabbing this dark green shade here. We are going to start on the outer side, outer corner, that's what it's called. See, it's been so long since I've done this. So I just packed that on the lid instead of doing blending motion. I want it to be super pigmented and not totally blended. I want it to be a little bit more on the darker side. So next I'm going to grab the Orgy palette because I like the top row up here for blending the crease, and I'm going to use Seduction, and I'm going to blend that to the brow bone. Now that that's a little bit more blended, I'm going to grab a packing brush and I'm going to go back in, well, not back in, I'm going to grab another packing brush and I'm going to grab Flaming Hot from the Conspiracy palette, and I'm going to put that into the center. Now that is just a base because I'm going to go back in with the James Charles palette and I'm going to grab this shade here, don't know what it's called, and I'm going to place that over the red I just placed down. Just for a little holiday sparkle. Then I'm going to grab that brush I used for the green and I'm just going to go back in and blend the red just slightly. I'm not grabbing any more pigment. I just want to blend to make sure it looks kind of seamless. So then I'm going to grab my blending colors again and just blend the red and green a little bit in the brow bone just because that's what I want to do. And then next, this is very, not crucial, but I kind of like, for the holiday season, I like a little bit of a smoked eyeliner look. I'm grabbing a little tiny, I don't know if you can see it, a super tiny brush, and I'm grabbing my Rides here from the Conspiracy palette. And I'm going to knock off most of the color, and I'm just going to blend that into my lash line. Now I'm going to grab my eyeliner, which is the good old Haus Labs, and leaving the tape on, I'm going to do a wing. shape of the eye that you are kind of trying to stick to. Now I ripped the tape off, which will take most of your face with it. We love a good tape line. And I am going to take my green Haus Labs gel pen eyeliner thing, and it's in the shade Empire, I believe, and I'm going to tuck that into my waterline and smoke it out with a brush after. That's what we're gonna call it. I like to be a little bit messy with that because we're gonna blend it out anyways, so I'm just grabbing this little like flat brush and I'm going to just blend. And that's pretty much it. Now I will be back because I'm going to pop on some mascara and we'll talk. And here we are, and that's it. I am done. It's a cute little like pop of color holiday moment, and I love it, so I hope you guys do too. If you decide to recreate this look, I mean, it's not rocket science. Like, I know I'm not the first person to do a green eye with a red halo, but if you do want to recreate it and you saw me do it or something, or even if you just want to show me what you look like, just go ahead and tag me in your photo and I will love to see it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have such a wonderful holiday season. I love you all so very much, and we'll see you in a bit.